Next will be disturbed. All possible way there? This is GPS.
Okay, here. Okay.
Sir, tapos may request permission from second ramp, berth number 7.
Is it okay?
Shifting to Raymond. Number 3.
This cable is 213. So this will using for the.
So this is not BNC.
No, we are telling our side. We are telling 213.
213.
4 last stop.
Hold. We will hold. Every 2 years, huh?
Training.
You vacation 2 years or every year?
Sir,
Your vacation every 2 years?
not 2 year we can go. Yearly.
A yearly free plane ticket.
2 years after you are going, you will get the. I don't know, some business doing or something, some internet business, net.
Yes, because he told me before. Once we have, he has money, then he will he will for good here in the UAE.
This one you can keep it upside. I will come then. This one, this with your what do you say? Only here only you can put after upside and coming to do. I will make the tape.
What this one? This one for GPS,
This one no need to take the photo, sir, because your connector need to be make hole. That's the reason.
Okay.
Now I want to program here. Can you give your support, guys? I will tell you 1 minute. Now your own ship detail. When you press this, straight to straight.
Okay. Okay, my name.
On ship detail.
What voyage detail?
Voyager, I will tell you.
This chart updated also?
This is already this inside.
Okay. This one no have card, huh?
No, card is there. But card we have to additional. Your company will never pay that one. Initial, you go to initial, set OS data. Basic data is to the first. I will put this is in the master. Okay. Then I'll put 303030. Everything it is okay. Now your destination, where you are going. It will not come here. I will tell you. Just it only apply here only. The vessel type. Which types are your vessel?
Tug. Tug.
Tug. Okay. No, this is okay. So this is only your tug which is coming. Other things are hide. Okay. This is we save. Okay, sir. Now what you have to do? Again we have to go there. This master tick is there, na? Cancel. Then put the password 303030. Okay. Enter. This time it will not come correct. You release it. It should be 0000000. Two passwords are there. Enter. Now this destination is appear. You see this? Now this one is disappear. Tug.
Okay.
You understand, sir?
Yes,
You
yes,
put
yes.
the tick.
Yes, master.
Yes.
The master.
And the password is 2.
Yes.
Keep in mind, anywhere you go, it should be not. It should be 000. Otherwise, 303030. There is no any other password.
I cannot forget. I have video.
Now your ETA.
Okay.
This is your you have to. Sir,
Yes, yes.
this one is there, na? You want to make this. Put this enter and 1 press, 2 press empty. You can type there.
Okay.
After you've typed the idea is extra is same thing is there. Same like this you go and you make finish. That area clear. Now you can put also after, sir. The after your ETA you can put and the status will be. This is not required. This is towing, correct?
Towing astern.
This is correct, na?
Yes, correct.
1 minute. This one, correct? Enter. Finish.
Okay.
Now can you tell me your how many persons are there? Captain?
8.
8. Okay, finish. This one I don't know.
Drought is 4.1.
4.1.
1.
That means
0.1.
0, 4. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Now everything is finished.
Yes.
Whatever you enter is finished. Save. Yes. I will see what is this one. Extract everything is on. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Save. Finish. This one is finished. Now you escape. Exit. All the things will be here. Then one thing I want to do the setting on minute, sir. Settings. If possible, you can ask to the port control. You can see the AIS or no?
Possible.
Just a little, sir. Can you tell me your this thing, sir? Ship, the length and everything.
Length 27.
I mean 10. Okay. This also same only it will come. Enter 010. Okay. Enter. Now I need B from here to here.
Here to here plus 17.
17. 17. This is very short.
Yes, short. Because
you understand this one I am telling you.
Yes.
This B.
Yes.
17, correct?
Yes.
010. Okay. Enter. 010.
Breath is 8.2. 8.2.
From here to here.
8.2. So around only 4.1. 4.1.
4.1.
Yes, 4 only. You
Zero,
can
zero,
04.
Okay.
04.
And this also same.
Same.
All the vessel names, everything you can see, sir.
Can you how to enlarge and large scale and short scale?
You can select the vessel also.
Mm.
You can see the nautical, how many knot we are very near. Okay.
Okay. How to zoom in, zoom out?
This is a normal, this is more new version. This I am also little. See 1 minute.